Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to enable all notifications on Snapchat with an updated method. So, let's get started. First, open your Android phone's settings. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon, or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer. Next, navigate to the Apps section in your settings. This is where you can manage the settings for all the apps installed on your phone. Find and select Snapchat from the list of apps. You may need to scroll through the list to find it, depending on how many apps you've installed. Once you've selected Snapchat, tap on the Notifications option. This is where you can customize the notification settings for the Snapchat app. Now you'll see a list of different notification settings for Snapchat. To enable all notifications, simply turn on the toggle for Show Notifications. This will ensure that you receive all notifications from the Snapchat app. And that's it. You have successfully enabled all notifications on Snapchat using this updated method. We hope this video was helpful in showing you how to make sure you don't miss any important notifications on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.